Google's brand new GEMMA 3 AI model. Have you ever wondered if a computer could be smart enough to understand both pictures and text? Well, GEMMA 3 does just that, and it can even run on something as small as a calculator. Let's find out how amazing it is. What is GEMMA 3? GEMMA 3 is the latest creation from Google DeepMind. It's incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for running on smaller devices like a GPU, or even on a tiny computer known as a Jetson Nano. Imagine being able to carry such a powerful tool right in your pocket. GEMMA 3 builds on Google's earlier research but brings new features that make it super quick and easy to use. It's designed to operate on a single piece of hardware, whether it's a fancy graphics card or a more common computer chip. This makes GEMMA 3 not just versatile but also accessible to more people. Google calls it the most capable model that you can run on one device. This means you don't need a big expensive setup to use some of the smartest AI technology out there today. It's amazing how something so small can be so powerful, right? Powerful, yet small. Even though GEMMA 3 is small enough to fit on just one device, it's incredibly powerful. It can handle up to 128,000 pieces of information at the same time. That's like being able to read thousands of books in just a few seconds. This is possible because GEMMA 3 uses very smart technology to process lots of data quickly and accurately. When we say it handles 128,000 tokens, we mean it can understand a huge amount of text or data all at once. This capability allows GEMMA 3 to perform tasks that involve both text and images, making it really good at understanding and responding to complex questions or problems. Even with its compact size, GEMMA 3 competes with much larger models when it comes to doing tasks like chatting, solving puzzles, or even recognizing objects in photos. It's like having the brain of a supercomputer in something as small as a book. Smart with text and images. GEMMA 3 is not just smart with words, it understands pictures and videos too. This smart tool uses a special technology called SigLip, which lets it look at an image and turn it into something it can read. Almost like how we turn letters into words when we read a book. This means GEMMA 3 can look at a picture, understand what's in it, and even find words hidden within the image. For example, if you show it a picture of a street sign, GEMMA 3 can read the text on the sign and tell you what it says. It's pretty cool because it can handle lots of different images and videos at once, making it super useful for tasks that need a mix of text and visual understanding. This ability to process and understand both forms of information makes GEMMA 3 incredibly powerful and helpful, especially in a world where we use both texts and images to communicate all the time. Keeping details sharp. Have you ever zoomed into a photo and noticed it looks all blurry and weird? GEMMA 3 has a clever feature to prevent that. It uses a technique where it cuts pictures into smaller pieces to keep every little detail looking sharp and clear. This means that no matter how much you zoom in, the image still looks as good as it should. It's like looking through a super powerful microscope that keeps everything in perfect focus. This is really important when GEMMA 3 has to deal with images that are not square or have a lot of detail in them, like pictures with text. By cutting the image into smaller sections, it makes sure that nothing gets stretched or squashed out of shape. This helps GEMMA 3 analyze the image more accurately and provide more precise information about it. So, whether it's a tiny detail on a butterfly's wing or a small footnote in a scanned document, GEMMA 3 can handle it smoothly, ensuring that you get the best and most accurate view possible. Sizes for everyone. GEMMA 3 is super versatile because it comes in different sizes to fit different needs. You can choose from models that have 1 billion to 27 billion parameters. Think of these parameters like the model's brain cells. The more it has, the smarter it is. The largest size, with 27 billion parameters, is incredibly smart. It has been tested and scored really high, even higher than many older AI models. This makes it one of the best choices for really tough tasks that need a lot of brain power. Each size of GEMMA 3 is designed to do amazing things, whether it's understanding complex texts, recognizing objects in photos, or even managing interactive tasks like chatting. The variety in sizes makes GEMMA 3 accessible to more people and organizations, from those who just want to try out basic AI tasks to those who need powerful AI capabilities for advanced research or practical applications. Efficient memory use. One of the coolest things about GEMMA 3 is that it's designed to be really memory efficient. This means it doesn't need a lot of computer memory to work well. GEMMA 3 uses a smart design that includes something called local and global attention layers. Here's how it works. Imagine GEMMA 3 as someone reading a book, but only needing to remember the most important parts to tell you about later. It focuses intensely, local attention, on small sections at a time, but occasionally steps back to look at the bigger picture, global attention. This method helps it manage its memory so that it can handle really long conversations or complex tasks without needing a giant, expensive computer setup. By reducing how much memory it uses, GEMMA 3 can run on smaller, less powerful computers, making advanced AI more available and affordable for everyone. Whether you're using a high-end gaming PC or a more basic setup, GEMMA 3 can still perform exceptionally well without slowing down or crashing. Safe and sound. GEMMA 3 is not just powerful, it's also built to be safe and trustworthy. Google has put a lot of effort into making sure that GEMMA 3 respects your privacy and security. This AI doesn't keep any personal information it comes across, which means it forgets details after it helps you. So, you don't have to worry about your private information being stored or misused. Additionally, it's programmed to avoid creating or spreading harmful content. Google uses advanced filters and checks to ensure that GEMMA 3 only generates appropriate and safe outputs. This makes GEMMA 3 like a responsible genius who helps you solve problems without causing any new ones. It's designed to be a helpful assistant that can be trusted in schools, homes, and workplaces alike. Whether you're asking it to help with homework, guide you through a new project, or explore new topics, GEMMA 3 handles everything with care, ensuring that its capabilities are used in a positive and beneficial way for everyone. Try it out. Are you interested in seeing what GEMMA 3 can do? You can try it out on various platforms. Google has made GEMMA 3 flexible and easy to access, so whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone curious about AI, you can experiment with it. You can find GEMMA 3 on Google Cloud, where you can use it without downloading anything, or you can download it directly to your computer to play around with it at home. It's compatible with different types of hardware, which means you don't need the most advanced computer to start using it. This flexibility is great because it allows everyone to explore AI technology without needing a lot of technical know-how or expensive equipment. Just choose the platform that works best for you and start exploring the amazing capabilities of GEMMA 3. Whether you want to use it for learning, creating new projects, or just having fun seeing what AI can do, GEMMA 3 is ready and waiting for you to give it a spin. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech updates. See you in the next one.